Hi, I'm James. And this year, stupid JJ, you got to just stop the sneezing on Sarah. This gum terrible. This and James, I think my allergy. Must did have to sneeze. Stop the blood. You stop sneezing, got snot on the cell. The sneezing. This gum horrible. This James, go blood you was sneezing. My JJ got pissed off at me. Got blood you, James. You got to sneeze on Emily. You got to go blood you with sneezing. Go blood you with Sarah. Stop go blushing on this my good sister. Stupid James. Stupid JJ. This is terrible. I got to blood. You could cover your mouth with a sneeze. You could blood you with sneeze. Achoo! James is sick right now. That could be fundamental along with stupid allergy. This gum horrible. So I do not recommend. I give 0 stars. This is stupid JJ. You gotta take your allergy medicine. Stupid JJ. This gum terrible. Stop sneezing on Sarah and Emily. You gotta keep a sneeze to yourself. Thank you. Thumb down. Come on, 155. Boo hoo hoo hoo.